Brian Young, ProTinkerToys.com. We're unboxing the Pro Racing Dragstrip John Force by Auto World. These are awesome sets, okay? I mean, this is just pure fun, okay? This is a drag strip racing with drag strips. I mean, drag cars. I mean, these are, look at these babies. Okay, now they don't do like that, but, okay, so what we've got to do is I'm just showing you the basics of what you get. You get a start gate, okay? You get a finish line and 14 feet of track, all right? Now, you can get more track and do a complete oval if you want, because then your cars will come back to the start, but it's a drag strip. So what we're doing is we're setting it up in a weird fashion. Now, I am basically showing you, it takes 5 AA batteries, because you've got to put them in. All right, I'm going to keep all these screws. I'm just kind of doing a basic here. So you've got to put, okay, I already did that one. I'm going to just stick that over here. So you got to put battery here, and then another battery here. Let me unscrew this. You got to put them underneath each of the units. You take 3 of them on that. See where the 3 batteries are? All right, I've left the plates off so that you can see what you got to do before you race it. All right, so I'm going to keep all these screws over here, take all these base plates off, bottom plates, we'll just stick them up right there, put the other battery in. All right, so what it does is, so when you turn it on, it's going to connect to the WIN. All right, I'm just doing a short track on my table here so you can see it. So we're going to basically set the race, and it's going to go through a series of lights. Okay, ready, go. Oh, wrong car. All right, let's try it again. All right, ready? Okay, ready, ready. Go. And it shows a WIN. See the WIN here? Let's try that again. All right, so that one just went right off the cliff. All right, so we're going to go as fast as we can. So make sure you get the car ready, set. Oh, gosh. And so these cars, you get 2 John Force. These are the dragsters. Now, you want to sand your track down, and you want to sand out your guide blades so that you've got great contact when you're going down here. Because there was a dead spot right here. So you want to check your track for, like right here. You want to sand that area right there, okay? Because you want to have a good speed. So basically, it comes with 2 cars. Your stop. See, show them the lights here, how they go down. As and then you press when it gets to green, go, okay? And then it comes down here with the turn off, okay? It will say WIN. And you get 2 dragsters, 14 feet of track, and this is the John Force set. I've been selling a lot of these. These are 4-gear cars, all right? Now, it's a regular standard magnet traction chassis, but it has 4 gears in the sense there's another gear in the back here, which makes it more powerful, okay? See, in this guide blade, see that guide blade? See, that's stuck, and that's stuck because of shipping. See that now? Now it's a little more freeing, okay? So that car might run a little better. Yep, it does. So let's try this again, okay? You ready? Ready? Oh, gosh, almost. That one's good. Now, that's the John Force drag strip race. It comes with 2 cars. And that's at ProTinkerToys.com. A great fun set if you want to have fun with your kids racing, drag racing, take the cars apart, dissect them, check with the oil, get the oil in it. Nice little spray of oil right there. Get it inside that car so that you want to have a nice... Oh, that smell. You know what? I remember that smell when I was 12 years old. I used to set up a track, I used to set up an Aurora T-Jet track. Oh, I like to get the oil in there and get those motors really humming and all that. Nothing funner than this. John Force race set. ProTinkerToys.com. Don't forget to get it.